Good morning, beautiful people. Wake and shake. I got my shake, got my tea, and you know I got my tablets that I missed so dearly this weekend. Oh man, thank God for waking us up this weekend and blessing us with another day of opportunity and that go-get-it mentality. I'm so thankful for him. Just came back from Orlando last night. It's been an amazing weekend, an amazing holiday. I'm so thankful for everybody with their traveling mercies, traveling over holidays. If you're watching this video, you should be thankful too. Back behind the camera, love you guys. I miss you guys. It was an amazing weekend spending it with my niece and my brother. My brother got engaged. Congratulations to Percy and Sabrina. Wish you the best in your future. Wish you the best in life. I love you guys, and it's going to be an amazing journey. I already know it. But definitely, it was just amazing. I'm so hyped and so amped to be back and talking to you guys. Today I want to talk about leadership, but not just you being a leader, but you attracting other leaders. So in order to attract other leaders, you must become the leader you want to attract. So I was doing some personal development this weekend, some studying, and I also had ran a call, and it was amazing. Thankful for the opportunity to run that call. It was amazing. Thankful to Damon and Candace and my mentors and all the leaders who helped me prepare for that as well. So, but attracting other leaders, I was listening to a video, and one of my favorite personal development guys, one of my favorite business builders, his name is David Imonitie. He spells his last name Imonitie. Definitely look him up. He's an amazing business builder. So I always listen to him and figure out ways to really build people around me, build people up. So what he does, he attracts other leaders. So he has this mentality called the AOL mentality. So it's called the attract other leaders mentality. But he breaks down the word mentality. So he breaks down the word me. So first, in the word mentality, he says me. It means it starts with you. It starts with yourself. So like I said, in order for you to attract the people you want, you have to become that person. So it starts with you, the person inside you. You have to build you up. You have to personally develop yourself. You have to work on you physically, mentally, emotionally, in order for you to attract the person you want in your organization or around you or on your team or whatever it is that you do. In order to attract that person, you must become it. And then he talked about men, the word men and the word mentality. You can't do nothing. You can't do it by yourself. Whatever you're trying to achieve, you can't do it by yourself. So you need to humble yourself and show humility and really know that you need other people. You need other people to be successful, so it's up to you to be that leader, to attract those leaders or build them up. So men, you can't do it by yourself. Get a group of people who you can build, who you can trust. And then he talked about your mental state of mind. What are you thinking about day in, day out? What is your mind doing? Are you thinking about the little stuff that really doesn't matter? Or are you thinking about the little stuff that helps the big stuff enhance? So what is your mental state of mind? What is your mind constantly going? Are you constantly working on your vision? Are you constantly working on your dream? Are you constantly building you up in order for you to move to that next level and help other people buy into what you're doing or buy into what you vision in your dream? Then the last part of the word is tality. So the word tality means the greater reality of yourself. Who are you surrounding yourself with? Are you the biggest person in the room? Because when you're the biggest person in the room, then that's a problem. You need to be surrounding yourself with powerful, influential people who are in a position that you want to get to. So you should never be the biggest person in the room. So they said your income is within a couple thousand dollars of the people you hang around. So who are you hanging around? You know what I'm saying? Why are you comfortable? When you're comfortable, that is your broke zone. And when you're broke, not just financially, but physically, mentally, emotionally, you need to be hanging around people who are powerful in all aspects of life. The way they walk, the way they talk, the way they present themselves. Because you will become that. So that's that word mentality. So really study that word. Really look up David Imonitie just on business building or just whatever it is about life. Because he's a great speaker and a great everything. So I hope you guys got that. Build other leaders. In order to be a leader, first you must serve. Leaders love people who serve. And they become great leaders as well. And they teach others how to serve. So let's get it. Have a great day. Happy December. Happy Monday. Let's get it. Turn up. Yeah!